on fasting or not, but you want to do worship regularly, no? Yes,
Yeah, yeah, yes,
yes.
yes. Otherwise, every Thursday and Friday, usually my fast, but today it's not.
Okay, so means you are not all Mahashara, you don't have a fast, or only today you not had.
Today, it's not
Oh,
due to my health. I not
okay,
don't keep my any fast. Otherwise, I usually keep fast.
okay, yes, yes, good, good. That because
How
yeah,
was today?
today I am free, so this is my third conversation today.
Okay, okay, that's nice. Na, practice make a man perfect. So it's say good saying. It's a better
Last
way.
from 8 to 9 days, I'm not having any session because yeah, my daughter have some cold and cough, so I'm not managing my time or her time. So I thought that today I'm be free, so I want to take some all, if you 4 and 5 no matter, I will do more session.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Na, it's due to the change of the weather. Every person
Yes.
have these kind of condition happening with every person.
Yes, and due to kids also facing lots of issue.
Yes,
If
yes,
we
yes.
are if no matter we are adult managing sometimes, but kids not managing. They
Yes,
know
yes.
not handle, if they have any cough and fever, they just started crying and not feeling well, all day are just crying.
In my Rajasthan also, na, our CM got corona. So
Oh really?
yes,
Oh,
there is the you can say the virus type. Every person have a fever and typhoid also. Every person facing these kind of issues. In Rajasthan, have a terrible weather now. In winter day, now not at night are too cold and days are the hotter. So it's not very difference of the you can say temperature. And due to the
okay.
differences of temperature, every person have a health issue.
Yes, yes, that's why. Because in most of side summer started. That's why we in the morning till 7 p.m. we feel like a very hot, sorry, very cold, and after 9 we are feeling sunshine, very hot weather. So
Yes,
that's why we are, even you saw your skin also started damage.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, your hands, your mouth, your lip have started to very dry. We feel very dry. Even in winter, we not feel like that. But now we feel like our skin are dry patches on everywhere, and so yeah, lots of people are facing with the skin issue also.
Yes, ma'am. And last week in Rajasthan, a heavy hailstorm. So, hailstorm, it is a terribly cold. And due to the blistering, you can say the sunshine. So, it's not
Yes.
match. I am
Yeah,
also wearing a cardigan, so it's a cold. And if we are going outside, there is the blistering hot.
yeah, yeah. That's why.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
this depend. If we are just completed this March, so then we are comfortable. Just we have habit about summer.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, and then every year these kind of things happen, ma'am. When our crops are about to rope, and you can say the crops harvesting time. These kind of weather every year happens.
Yeah, yes, of course. Yeah, right.
Yes,
Okay. So
and
how
how is
how's
it going?
how's your son?
He is also fine, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. She
And what about your daughter's health now?
yes, now it's good. Yes, now it's good. Okay.
Yes.
So that's why I connect you, because yeah, today's holiday and she's sleeping because she
Oh,
wake up early in morning with me. So yeah, she's not resting.
yes.
Yeah, yeah, that's
Now
why.
she is sleeping.
Yeah, yes, of course. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So do you have any topic?
Do you want to discuss about any random topic? And today I have no topic, ma'am, because I have
Yes,
also
I'm also not preparing any topic. Just I start casual conversation. I'm also
yes.
yeah, I'm not preparing it. So what about your practice about the conversation. It's matter to start reading. It's useful for our practicing.
Yes, ma'am. Last week I fell ill, so it's not disturbed totally. Otherwise, I have a reading habit. I managed to some reading, but due to the feel na weakness, so I fell asleep early in the night. You can say, and not get up early in the morning. So it's a disturb my whole schedule. Otherwise, today I decided to reading some, you can say, the grammatical topic, just would have, should have, na, these kind of topic I want to discuss it, but I don't get time and
Yes.
also some feel weakness. So after
Very,
also
very
take a
difficulty. We have a half hour, time for your studies. For that, it's very difficult and tough also. If you are start something and you're sitting one place, you suddenly someone is came and someone calling you, or you're disturbing a lot. When we
yes,
are
yes,
home at home, especially.
yes, yes, yes. So, and if we are left our habits, so it's a tough to become on the track. It's a
Yeah, yeah,
totally
yeah.
tough.
Yeah, that's why even I'm not going anywhere, because yeah, if we are going anywhere, so if we have a gap 8 to 9 days, so we are just feeling bad, and how we are connected. This is boring. So how can I start? So we are making so procrastination that time.
Yes, yes. No, when I was coming from my school yesterday, so I am thinking on the way, and just reached home, and after taking some rest, I will surely read something. So a neighbor came, and my 2 3 hour gone.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I don't get much time also. I have to manage after that household chores also, and also some ironing of our laundry and all kind of things. And the now Holi is approaching near, so we
Yeah.
have to cleaning our house also. So
Yeah.
I
Of
have
course.
to manage today.
Even I think kids are on exam. All are kids are busy with exam. We want to
Yes,
also take care of that exam. We want to teach them. We have to
yes,
take care about he or she is taking care about the exam, because yeah, kids not studying with own self. So we want to
yes.
plan for that. You have
And
to do
also
this.
they
You have to do
asking anytime any lot of question we have to reply. Sometimes we have to search, exact
uh,
fact or all these kind of things. So they
yes.
have a lot of question. And in
Yes.
also my school is the board exam is the, you can say, the going on. So we have a also lot of works. Early morning we have to go school, and maybe before 8 o'clock we have to reach there, and it's take a